Hello again, everyone. A question we were asked this week was, what are ways to check for an exhaust leak? There are many ways to make sure that there may be leakage in your headers. One of the ways is to simply listen to your car running and check that there is no unusual sounds such as hissing or popping noises when running. Another clear sign are any odors that seem to be overwhelming or strong when the car is running in your garage. Finally, to locate where the exhaust leak in your headers are, a simple matter of doing so is mixing a water and soap solution and spraying it along the headers. Locate any clump of bubbles to locate the leakage. If you had any questions about your headers and more, please email us at info@dougthorleyheaders.com.